Imagine staring up at the night sky, mesmerized by the moon's radiant glow. But hold on, is it really bursting with 100% illumination? Tonight, on October 5th, 2025, the moon might dazzle you with its near-full appearance, yet it's still building up to its ultimate show. Stick around as we unravel the celestial secrets of this evening's lunar spectacle and discover why the anticipation only adds to the magic. But here's where it gets intriguing. Even though it looks almost complete, the moon isn't quite there yet. We have a couple more days of this thrilling build-up, and that doesn't diminish the excitement one bit. Let's dive deeper into what's unfolding in the heavens tonight. So, what's the current moon phase as of Sunday, October 5th? According to NASA's reliable daily moon observation guide, we're in the waxing gibbous phase, with a whopping 96% of the moon's surface bathed in sunlight and visible to our eyes. This generous illumination opens up a treasure trove of lunar wonders for stargazers like you and me. Without any special equipment, you can spot standout features such as the Copernicus crater, a massive, ancient impact site that tells stories of cosmic collisions, the Aristarchus Plateau, known for its bright, reflective lava flows, and the serene Mare Tranquillitatis, famously the landing site for Apollo 11 astronauts. Grab a pair of binoculars and you'll uncover even more. The rugged Apennine Mountains, which stretch like a spine across the moon's surface. The icy-looking Mare Frigoris, a frozen sea of basalt. And the Endymion Crater, a bowl-shaped depression that's perfect for imagining alien landscapes. And if you're lucky enough to have a telescope at hand, prepare for awe-inspiring views of the Apollo 16 and 17 landing sites, where human footprints forever mark our exploration, along with the winding Rima Ariadeus, a fault line that snakes across the terrain like a lunar highway. Now you're probably wondering, when will we finally get that full-blown full moon experience? Mark your calendars. The next one is just round the corner on October 7th. For context, the previous full moon graced our skies on September 7th, reminding us how these cycles keep our nights rhythmically enchanting. And this is the part most people miss when they glance up casually, understanding the science behind why the moon transforms so dramatically. Moon phases are a fascinating dance orchestrated by the moon's 29.5-day journey around Earth, influenced by the ever-shifting angles between the sun, the moon, and our planet. From our vantage point on Earth, the moon never actually changes its face. We always see the same side due to tidal locking, a gravitational harmony that keeps it spinning in sync. What varies is the sunlight reflecting off its surface, creating the illusion of different shapes and illuminations based on its orbital position. Think of it like a spotlight at a theatre. As the moon moves, the light hits it from different angles, revealing more or less of its rocky stage. To help beginners grasp this, picture the moon as a ball in a game of catch between Earth and the sun. When it's positioned between us and the sun, we see its dark side, making it invisible. As it arcs around, sunlight gradually lights up portions we can see, leading to the phases we know and love. This isn't just pretty. It's a reminder of our place in the solar system, where even the simplest nightly view connects us to vast cosmic mechanics. NASA breaks down the 8 primary moon phases in a clear sequence, each marking a step in this celestial cycle. Let's walk through them together. New moon. Here, the moon sits directly between Earth and the sun. So the side facing us is shrouded in darkness. Essentially, it's playing hide and seek and vanishes from sight. Waxing crescent. A delicate sliver of light emerges on the right side, if you're in the northern hemisphere, like the first hint of a smile on the moon's face, signaling the start of illumination. First quarter. Exactly half the moon is lit up on the right side, resembling a perfect half moon, and often called the half moon for its balanced appearance. Waxing gibbous. More than half the surface glows brightly, but it's not fully radiant yet. Think of it as the moon building up to its grand finale, with that extra bit of anticipation. Full moon. The entire face of the moon is brilliantly illuminated, offering the complete round spectacle we've all admired on clear nights. Waning gibbous. The light begins to fade from the right side, as if the moon is slowly dimming its spotlight after the peak performance. Last quarter or third quarter, we're back to a half moon, but now the left side is the one glowing, creating a mirror image of the first quarter. Waning crescent. Only a thin sliver of light lingers on the left side, a final whisper before the cycle resets to darkness. But here's where it gets controversial. While science explains moon phases through orbital mechanics and sunlight reflection, some cultures and individuals swear by the idea that full moons stir up emotions, behaviors, or even supernatural events, like increased werewolf sightings in folklore, or heightened tides in reality. Is this just myth, or could there be a grain of truth in how lunar cycles subtly influence our world? And this is the part that sparks debate. Do we truly see the same side of the moon every time? Or are there rare librations that reveal a tiny bit more? These questions challenge our everyday assumptions and invite us to ponder the moon's mysteries beyond the basics. What do you think? Do moon phases hold any sway over your mood or daily life? Or is it all just coincidence? Have you ever spotted hidden lunar features that blew your mind? Share your experiences, agreements, or disagreements in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation glowing.